If you're looking for a super simple, super delicious, super healthy dish, then pesto should be one of your top choices. It comes from Italy, comes from that Mediterranean region, and can be made with almost anything you have in your kitchen. Like the ingredients are really flexible. Like we're gonna make some today with parsley and Parmesan cheese and walnuts, but we're also gonna make a second one with basil and pine nuts, which is far more traditional. You can put it on anything you want. You can put pesto on pasta, which is really common. You can put it on meat. You can put it on rice. You can mix it into a salad. You can even mix a little bit of yogurt into it and make an incredible dip for parties. Like it's super flavorful and people will be like, damn, what's that? And you can just say that you have a secret recipe and you don't know what it is. When it comes to consistency, pesto can be on the thinner side, so it's more of a sauce, or it can be on the thicker side, so that when you mix it in with the food, it coats things more heavily. Either is fine, and it really just depends on your personal preference. You can use oil to thin it out a little bit more if you want, or if you want to thicken it up, you can add more cheese, more nuts, and more greens. When it comes to greens, you can use pretty much anything you want. You can use parsley, basil, arugula, chard, kale, like pretty much anything green can go into a pesto. I've even made a pesto with beet greens that was incredible. So we're gonna get started.